God, it feels so wrong. Holy moly. All right. So I was off-roading a couple of weeks ago. I was actually rock crawling and I tipped my car on its side and shattered the windscreen on my Can-Am. Well, that's not ideal. I already did have a chip in the windshield that had happened from a rock, but I had repaired it with one of those DIY chip repair kits, and it was doing all right. And then putting it on its side put a huge crack across the whole thing. Anyway, I need to get the glass replaced in the windshield. And so I decided to look around and see if there was a product that I could use that would also protect it, like a film or something like that. Came across this product called Windshield Skin, and they have sent me a roll of it to test out. So I'm actually going to use the old glass to do a test. I'm going to throw some rocks at it with the skin and without the skin and see if it makes any difference at all. I also need a new windshield in the truck because I have this huge crack here. I have a little bullet hole there and then another chip over there. So if it works on the Can-Am, once I get my new windshield in the truck, I'm going to be putting it on this as well. I've never lived in an area where I get so many rock chips, but as you can see, it is just desert and rocks everywhere you look. So sadly, they get on the road and they get flung up at your windscreen. So here's my new glass, and this has already got the windshield skin applied to it. As you can see, it is perfectly optically clear. There is no hazing, no issues whatsoever with kind of seeing the film. As you can see from the reflection, there is absolutely nothing that gives away that this has got a protective skin on it. But before we get that into the frame, I figured it might be fun to put this product through the test, because it's all well and good me sticking it on my windshield and hoping that it never cracks. But we have a windshield that is broken and we have some offcuts that we just pulled out of the dumpster. So Anthony just put this on here. So as you can see, when it's not been left to cure in the heat, you can see how it's got this little haze. So you can see that the line is right there. So this is protected, this isn't. And we've got an array of weapons that we're gonna try and see if it's as good as they say it is. Right. Don't hit the McLaren. Yeah, there's definitely a little chip, and that was just a small pebble, right? Oh, all right, there we go. That, yeah, and that's all the way through. And that really wasn't that hard either, wasn't it? Go for it like up here with the same size rock. All right, so I can see that it's definitely hit the shield. Has it gone through? So apparently it also self-heals. Yeah, I mean, you can see where it's hit the skin, but when you come around to the back side of it, I don't think that's through. I think that is just, I think if we peel this off, I think that'll be fine. And this stuff is thick, it's 12 mil thickness. All right, moment of truth. Nothing, literally nothing.
Yeah, it's just the...
Yep. It's kind of hard to show it, but... So yeah, this has got, taken all of the impact there. And then your actual glass, there is not even a mark. You've left more of a mark with a scalpel than you have with a rock. Okay, well, yeah, safe to say that it's not surviving that. We do have a couple of little spider legs that went up. Yeah, get it up there and see. This is also a compromised piece of glass, just as you can see, it was already cracked. But yeah, hit it up there and see what happens. All right, so bear in mind that this vein here, this leg just came up from this. This is where we just hit it. And yeah, let's do the old cut test and see. Did we go through a little bit?
Barely.
Tiny bit. Yeah. But I mean, the difference between that and that speaks for itself. At the end of the day, we're not putting bulletproof glass in this thing. That to me speaks volumes, because I mean, that is horrendous. Yeah. So yeah, needless to say, this stuff actually works. We do have a wrench. God, it feels so wrong. This is strong down here.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Oh, there we go. All right. That was pretty hard, honestly.
There you
All right.
go. It really hit that.
Yeah. I mean, I would say that I was having to swing that twice as hard. And again, it only went through here. These were the bits where I was hitting it before. I think that is just like where the glue has been squished onto the glass. All right, I'm sold. I'm glad we did it. So there you go. If you're looking for a way to protect your windshield, then this Windshield Skin does a damn good job. This kit that we've put on here is just the universal kit. So as you can see, you just get a big roll of it, and then you squeegee it on, trim out the edges. It works best, obviously, if you've got the glass out of it, because you can be super accurate. So my windshield doesn't even look like there's been any applied. But even if you were putting it on with the glass already in the frame, then you just trim very carefully around the edge and you'll be good. But they also do pre-cut kits as well. So if you have a truck, car, whatever, there's a good chance they will have a kit that is pre-made, so it will come in exactly the right size. So if you are a half-competent person, you can do it at home with a spray bottle with some distilled water, a squeegee, and you'll be good to go. Well, there we go. All done. So if you're interested in getting some of this, I'll drop a link down below so you can go and check out all the pre-cut kits and stuff. And if you are in the Nevada, Arizona, tri-state area and you want someone to install it, then give this guy a call. I'll put all of Anthony's links and everything below. Go and follow him on Instagram. They do all kinds of fun stuff. We haven't even gotten into what's back there. So yeah, hopefully if you watch the main channel, you'll see more of this guy. We're going to get out and do some fun stuff. And I think I'm going to be bringing my van here as well for some electrical work. So yeah, one-stop shop. If it's custom, if you need it doing, these guys will hook you up. So thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any questions, drop them down in the comments and we'll help you out down there. And yeah, hop over to the main channel and go and watch some of the adventures that I do with this windshield attached to a Can-Am. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you.